Some of you may remember several dreams every night. Some of you may remember only a few dreams in your life, as you want to remember your dreams, but you don't. Well, I'm going to help you with that. First is intention. You have to want to remember your dreams. Our psyche is amazing in knowing what we really desire and then offering that for us. So I want you to go to bed each night with that desire. I want to remember a dream tonight. The next thing we have to do is prepare to catch that dream. Dreams are like vapor, and they escape so fast. So I'm going to encourage you to put paper and pencil beside your bed or under your pillow, or a voice-activated tape recorder. And there's so many apps now that are available, you may choose one to use. But you're going to need to make notes or record notes in the night of your dream. This is not going to disturb your sleep. You are not going to be sleep deprived, but at least you won't be dream deprived. It's important to make those notes, even if you remember one thing. You don't have to write down the entire dream in the night, but just a few words. A dog was in the dream. I remember a fence in the dream. Just write down enough to give you a hook to go back to in the morning and recall that dream. Often we need to take time in the morning to recall our dreams. We're all so busy. We get up, we hit the floor running, moving into linear time. What is our problem for the day? What are our challenges? And we leave all those dreams behind in bed. I want you to capture those dreams and to use those dreams. So take a few minutes in the morning before you get up. Move over to your most comfortable sleeping position and go back into the dream, remembering the dream. And with paper and pencil or the voice-activated tape recorder, talk about those dreams. Write it down. Don't trick yourself into believing you will remember. I don't think you will. It's just gone once we begin our day. Some people find it helpful to drink water before they go to bed so that they actually have to get up. Leave paper and pencil in the bathroom so that you can make your notes when you're up. Medications often affect our dreaming. Sometimes they make our dreams more intense. Other times they take away all of our dream memory. So of course we need to take our medications that are prescribed. But look at your medications if you're having a hard time remembering dreams, or if you're taking sleep activating kinds of medications. This will affect your dream memory. Herbs are sometimes used to increase dream recall. Mugwort, vitamins. You can check all of these things out online. There's so much information. What I want you to do is to see what works for you. Each one of us is individual and will use different ways of remembering dreams. It's important to have a good night's rest. Some people find it better to go to bed a little bit earlier if they're having trouble remembering their dreams. And don't be reading and watching TV right before you go to bed. Take time to prepare for bed in a calm manner. As we're talking about dreams and remembering your dreams, I want you to remember that even if you have what I call a snippet of a dream, don't throw it away. Please write it down.